Hi, my name is Mike Randall. I'm the president and CEO of Portfolio, a strategic action company, and we're thrilled to be submitting our proposal to the Canadian Food Innovation Network for supporting small and medium-sized food and beverage enterprises across the country. Our experience with CFIN on a previous project has got us very excited, and we think we've been able to bring forward a team and an approach that will achieve the results that you're looking for.
Bonjour, je m'appelle Véronique, je suis coordinatrice de compte chez Portfolio. Puis pour ce projet, je vais être en charge des coordinations, de l'engagement des parties prenantes, puis aussi d'assister mon équipe tout au long du projet.
Hi there, I'm Kiana Strakowski. I'm a senior consultant here at Portfolio. My role with the team, I support the team in a variety of different ways, from leading stakeholder engagement to developing various strategies and implementation plans for a breadth of clients in different sectors. My professional background is a little varied. I've been in project management roles. My specific background prior to Portfolio was in economic development, and I have a lot of stakeholder engagement experience as well. Pour ce projet spécifiquement, je vais aider avec l'engagement communautaire des parties prenantes dans l'industrie, ainsi que supporter l'équipe avec le développement du plan et le plan d'action à la fin du projet aussi.
We've been able to bring forward a team and an approach that will achieve the results that you're looking for. Over the next couple of minutes, we'll take you through our proposal. And as always, we're here to answer any questions that you may have. And we look forward to hearing from you very soon. We know that it's always a tough decision in choosing a partner for important work like this. And we think Portfolio has some unique strengths worth pointing out. We know CFIN. Our previous national membership engagement work really does provide us with an intimate knowledge of your mission, your Yodel platform, the ecosystem, your members. And we've reviewed Food 4.0, and we understand exactly where it is that you're trying to go. We know food and beverage. We have deep sector experience through the creation of New Brunswick's Provincial Food and Beverage Support Network, Savor NB. We've worked with food and beverage companies across this country. We've helped drive association work, funding application, innovation, product development, and we understand the challenges that particularly small and medium-sized enterprises are facing in the food and beverage ecosystem in Canada. We're a company that bridges strategy and execution. A strategy is only as good as the ability to execute upon it. So the plans and strategies we develop are built for action and built for execution. And we'll work with CFIN's team to ensure that there's an actionable work plan that comes out of this engagement. We understand how to engage people from coast to coast to coast. The work we're doing with national organizations like the Canadian Gaming Association, Navalis, the Smart Grid Innovation Network, all national clients that we work with day in and day out, engaging members across the country, and ensuring that we understand the unique challenges region by region and at a national level. And talk really quickly about our process, which we think is very important to how we would approach this project. Our rethink methodology has 5 key components: reassess, reimagine, reframe, roadmap, and execute. And through a reassess, we're going to challenge assumptions. We'll audit the current state. We'll understand all of the stakeholder perspectives. We'll review all of your existing research. We'll dive into Food 4.0 priorities, and we'll use the Yodel platform as another way to really listen to where people are today. Reimagine, we explore scenarios and identify opportunities to ensure that we can hear from multiple voices in multiple different disciplines, from food and beverage processors, ingredient suppliers, and ecosystem partners. Then we'll turn to reframe and we'll define the strategy and positioning that multiple stakeholders can support. We'll map out industry needs against existing solutions. We'll identify those white spaces, and we'll prioritize opportunities where CFIN can really deliver unique value in its next phase and next iteration. Phase 4 is road mapping, and that's really the action plan development. We'll create actionable implementation plans with clear ownership and accountability. And for each priority opportunity, we'll recommend whether CFIN should partner, license, co-create, build, or convene with detailed business models, resource requirements, and implementation roadmaps. And then finally, we'll deploy our full capability to ensure that your strategy becomes a reality. We'll finalize the deliverables, we'll present the action plan, and we'll provide those implementation tools you'll need for your team to make the next 4 or 5 years for CFIN as productive and as impactful as possible moving forward. And as you've experienced already from some of our team members, we bring a fully bilingual team that really can ensure that we're looking at your membership through their eyes, through their language, through their culture, and we can communicate effectively from coast to coast to coast. The project timelines you've laid out in the RFP are of no concern to us, kicking off in January and really ensuring that through February and March that we're really able to get all of the engagement work done, the draft strategy really mapped out, and then through April and until the final deliverables in early April, we'll be able to have biweekly check-ins with the CFIN team. We'll be keeping you abreast of all of the progress. We'll be providing you with drafts for input and review, and we'll collectively ensure that we meet all of those timelines. And the budget is laid out, and we've provided as much detail as possible because we think it's important that you know where we're spending the time and where we're allocating our resources to ensure that we deliver the impact and the outcomes that you're looking for and those final deliverables that you need. Our budget includes 23 discovery sessions across the country virtually, all project management coordination and bilingual support, comprehensive gap and opportunity prioritization and action plan with detailed business models, all deliverables and an implementation toolkit, final presentation, post-project support. There will be no travel expenses, trying to keep those costs low, and we'll use technology and our expertise at using different platforms to engage people from coast to coast to coast. We think the budget is fair for the work and for the outcomes that we'll be able to deliver. So that quick overview of our proposal shows you our experience, our approach, our rethink process, and how we would apply that to CFIN's opportunities and the goals that you've set moving forward. We've gone through your strategy, Food 4.0. We've looked at the amazing accomplishments that you've already achieved over the last 4 years, and we would love to be a partner with you moving forward to chart the course for your future and for the future of food and beverage in Canada.